It's Mysterious Granny here with the answer to your raining at midnight riddle. Um, First and foremost, there's May May, half asleep. And I think he is asleep. He's not moving, anyways. So yeah, it's raining at midnight riddle. I want to thank everybody that took a guess. Now I want to congratulate 4 people for getting it right. One I didn't suspect to get it right, because she's never done our riddles before. But she got it right. So anyways, the riddle goes, it's raining at midnight, but the forecast for tomorrow and the next days is clear. Start that over again. Can't read my own writing. It's raining at midnight, but the forecast for tomorrow and the next day is clear. Will there be sunny weather in 48 hours? That was the riddle. The answer to that is no. It won't be sunny because it will be dark out. In 48 hours, it will be midnight again. I need to congratulate Miss Deanna Perez, Miss Lady Spellbreaker, Craig Buckley, and Miss Painting with Squirrels. She is a funny lady, Miss Painting with Squirrels. She is a funny lady. Yeah, this is the first time she did one of the riddles, and the first guess she got it right. So again, congratulations to you guys, the ones that got it right. The other ones that didn't know, it still don't hurt to guess. Even though you said you don't know, you're confused or what have you. Make a guess. It's not going to hurt anything. Alright, this Mysterious Granny. I'm out of here. Peace out.